Apollo Pipes Q3 FY26 results, standalone revenue falls, losses emerge. Apollo Pipes Q3 FY26 performance highlights a clear divergence between reported scale and underlying business health. While consolidated revenue surged to 247.18 crore rupees due to the inclusion of Kisan Moldings, this growth was acquisition-led rather than organic. The core standalone business, which reflects the true operating strength of Apollo Pipes, witnessed a year-on-year revenue decline of approximately 20%. This slowdown in the base business is a critical red flag, especially in a sector where volume growth and distribution strength are key long-term drivers. Profitability deteriorated sharply during the quarter. On a consolidated basis, the company slipped into a net loss of 3.26 crore rupees compared to a profit in the same quarter last year. Standalone net profit fell by nearly 99% to just 0.06 crore rupees, effectively wiping out earnings from the legacy business. This indicates that the company is currently unable to absorb rising costs amid weaker revenues, exposing operating leverage in a negative cycle. Operating margins fell to a 7-quarter low of 4.86%, significantly below market expectations. Margin compression was driven by multiple factors, including integration costs related to Kisan Moldings, low capacity utilization across manufacturing plants, higher employee and operating expenses, and provisions created for incremental liabilities arising from new labor codes. Despite consolidated revenue exceeding analyst estimates, the sharp miss on profitability and margins underscores that scale alone is not translating into value creation. From a strategic standpoint, Apollo Pipes is aggressively pursuing expansion to regain momentum. Management reviewed progress on the Mirzapur manufacturing facility in Uttar Pradesh, which is expected to commence commercial production by the end of FY26, and continues to plan capacity additions through the upcoming Varanasi project. Additionally, the company is awaiting the remaining 82.50 crore rupees from its preferential warrant issue, which is expected to support working capital requirements and fund capex. However, these initiatives will take time to reflect in financials and carry execution risk in the near term. The market responded negatively to the earnings disappointment, with the stock falling 4.40% to close at 264 rupees. At an elevated valuation of nearly 36x earnings, investors are increasingly questioning whether Apollo Pipes deserves a premium multiple when standalone revenues are shrinking, margins are under pressure, and consolidated profits have turned negative. the sustainability of earnings and the timeline for recovery remain uncertain. For investors, the key monitorables over the coming quarters include stabilization and recovery in standalone revenue, meaningful improvement in operating margins, successful integration of Kisan Moldings without prolonged profitability drag, and timely execution of new manufacturing facilities. Until there is visible evidence of margin normalization and earnings recovery, Apollo Pipes remains a high-risk, execution-dependent stock rather than a straightforward growth story. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.